Next question. So number of ways of expressing 2520 as a product of two factors. So product of two factors means 2520, I should be able to write it as A into B. That means what? 1 into 2520 or 252 into 10. In that way, how many ways I can write this? So what is that I have to do? Just the number of ways of expressing 2520 as a product of two factors is nothing but total divisors divided by 2. Total divisors divided by 2, which is nothing but total divisors we already know for the question, which is 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. This will be the answer. Now, the logic is very simple. If you are dividing the total number of divisors by 2, that means you are assuming that the total number of divisors are even. This is possible in what case? When the given number is not a perfect square. That means what? Total divisors divided by 2, provided the given number is not a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, the number of divisors will be automatically odd. In that case, you can't divide by 2 to get the integer value. So if in that case, what we'll do is total divisors plus 1 whole divided by 2. This is what we do. If number is a perfect square. If the number is a perfect square. Now what we do is very simple. Whether the number is a perfect square or not, you need not worry. Because if the total number of divisors are odd, automatically we will know that the given number will be a perfect square. So if you want the number of ways, it is nothing but total divisors plus 1 divided by 2. See, very simple. You look here. Suppose I take a number 25. 25 is nothing but 5 square. Okay, 5 square. So here I can write it as 1 into 25, 25 into 1 or 5 into 1. The number of ways of expressing 25 as product of two factors is 1 into 25, 25 into 1 and 5 into 5. Here 1 into 25 and 2 into 25 into 1 is taken as only one number because both say A into B or B into A is the same number. And here it will come out as 1. Therefore, the total possibilities are 2. If I use the logic here, total number of divisors of 25 are what? 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Total number of divisors are 2. What are those 2? What are those 3? 5, 25 and 1. These are 3 divisors. So answer according to that will be equal to what? 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So this comes out as the number of divisors. This is what is the idea. So you need not worry about the number being a perfect square or not a perfect square. If the number is a perfect square, what we'll get, the total number of divisors automatically will get it as odd. So to want the number of ways in which you can express is just simple plus 1 divided by 2 and that gets you the number of 1. In our question 2520, the total number of divisors were even. That means 2520 is definitely not a perfect square. Therefore, the total possibilities are 48 divided by 2 is equal to 24. That is what we get the answer as. We'll go to the next question.